During skin retouching, we often need to isolate it so that the effects used don't spread to other areas of the body. We will create very complex skin selection using the color range tool. First step. We use lasso to make a rough selection, to just get rid of unnecessary elements in the frame. To add individual areas, we hold down the shift, a plus sign appears, and we circle what we want. Now we go to Menu Select, then Color Range. With the eyedropper, we have to specify a sample skin color. Here in the preview window we see the selected areas. White is fully selected, gray is partially selected, and black is not selected. We take a dropper with a plus sign and just click and add tones. You can do this either in the preview window or on the picture itself. Don't expect a perfect selection at this stage. You can try adjusting the fuzziness. If you increase the value, the sensitivity area will grow. If you decrease the value, the image will be more contrasty. The difficult areas at the roots of the hair are very important. We will do the final cleaning of the mask in the next step. Let's save the selection, select, then save selection, let's call it skin. Go to the channel palette, and you see that there's a new channel at the bottom, which we are going to edit right now. The skin should be pure white, and the problem areas, like the eyelashes and the hair, should be well worked out. We don't want unnecessary elements either, get rid of them. There are several methods of editing the mask. The first is to select the desired area with the lasso and adjust the levels. Press Ctrl L on your keyboard. We take the middle, gray point, and pull to the right until the excess goes deep into the black. The other way is to select the dodge tool. We can specify what tones we want to highlight, and we want highlights. Set the exposure around 40 to 50%. This is how it works. Don't be afraid to touch the dark areas. They will remain untouched. What if we want the opposite effect? The tool for the opposite effect is called the Burn tool. Let's specify in the shadow settings. The exposure remains the same 40 to 50%. Let's just take the brush and completely cover the eyes to protect them from further skin manipulation. It's the same with the lips. Okay, it looks really good. But will it work? Let's test it. In the channel palette, click on the mask with the Ctrl key pressed to select it. At the top of the palette, click RGB and go back to Layers. Let's make a copy of the layer. Just drag the layer and drop it on the icon, create a new layer. Now let's apply the mask we created. Click on the icon, Add Mask. A little test. Let's turn off the bottom layer. And there's our skin. Let's take a closer look. You can spend more time and clean up absolutely perfectly. However, look, difficult fragments like hair are perfectly fine. This mask is ready to go. It is absolutely functional. So please click like and subscribe to the channel to always be in touch. See you around.
Увидимся.